Beautiful day out here. So nice to be back on the ice with my buddy Dole. He's over there. No, there's a fish on the jacker. Oh, I think he came off. Oh, wait. Oh, no, he's on. He's on. He's on. Oh, it's a little one. Just a little one. Can't complain. Little rainbow. Sweet. Finally got one. I'm gonna keep this one. Just a little guy, but it's a fish, man.
Gold on the shrimp.
Yeah, and I was just about to get one there. Actually, that's the that thing. What is that? It's made by the same people that make Rap Finky. White and green with the shrimp. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna put them out. Keep them. Sweet. Finally. Yes. Awesome. Yeah, there's some. I was seeing a lot of activity over out there too, actually. Okay. Maybe.
That's me at 10.
Is that one? Or is that you at 10?
That's me. Oh no, I'm below 10.
It's right there. Look at that. That's you?
Yeah.
Looks like there's a fish under it though. See at the very bottom, it looks like a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that was a bite.
Oh my god. Oh, I got him. I got him.
Okay.
Is he on? Oh my gosh. Doesn't feel big.
Oh yeah.
Get him out. All right. Yeah.
Nice.
I wonder if that was the same one that bit you.
Probably, yeah. Nice, dude.
All right.
Pick it up.
Slowly picking up. That's about a little bit bigger than the last one we caught. Should I keep this one too? I think I might.
Let me get a picture. Hey. Nice. Nice fish.
Yeah, I think I'll keep this one too. Finally, again. Man, you deserve that one. But whatever. All right, I'm gonna kill you. The jacker's going off. There's a fish on it. Get it, Noel. Look at it. It's moving. It's moving. Oh, dude. Yes, get it, bud. You want me to tighten that drag for you? Or?
Yeah.
Oh. Does it feel big? Does it feel good? No, it doesn't? Okay. Dude, 2 in a row. Heck yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah? All right. Oh, that's a decent one. That's a better one. Yeah, yeah, dude. Okay, careful right here. Easy, easy. All right. All right. That's a nice one. I'm not going to touch that line. Just so he's got to get his head up, that's a brown. That's a nice brown. All right, all right. Yes, dude. That is a beast, dude. I gotta get the tape measure.
Oh yeah, let me grab it.
Look at this brown. I buddy Noel just got. This is a fatty. Straighten him out. 19 and a half, almost 20.
Well, nice. Wow.
Let's call it 20. Let me get a picture with it, dude. Let's get a couple of those. All right, man.
Wow.
Look at that.
All right, buddy.
That beast of a brown Noel just got. There she goes. 2 in a row. I wonder if that had been going for a while.
Oh, yeah, right. Oh, that was sick.
That just made it worth it.
Yeah, right.
That just made it worth it. 20-inch brown. Oh, I just felt something.
Oh, dude. I think they might just be these weeds. Because I see this weed floating up. Could be. But the ones down lower might be fish. I'm not sure.
Oh, hey now. That looks like a fish. Dude, look at that.
Down there.
It's gotta be a fish. Oh, dude. Yeah, yes, no. Oh.
Too quick.
Dude,
I'm
that's
just too antsy.
That's okay. I'm gonna go from right here.
Yeah. Yeah, he definitely bit that though.
Oh, he came back up like for mine, it looked like. That's weird. Oh, dude, he's down there now. Yeah, he's down there. Oh, he just bit me.
Yeah.
Got him.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Oh, he's a babe. He's a squeaker. He's a squeaker. Bit both of us.
Yeah.
And came back. Oh my god, this is the tiniest fish in the lake.
It's cute. You want a picture of it?
Nope. I'm catching all the small ones today. Is there another one down there? I don't know. This is so tiny. Yeah. There's a fish.
Yeah.
That thing's coming to me right now. Ooh, is it gonna pass? The marks just come out of nowhere. You're like, all right, here it comes. You got like 2 seconds, kind of, sometimes. Oh, is it going back up? Oh, it's beautiful out right now. That sun. Wow. Ooh, what a view. What a freaking view out this tent. So there's like 5 tunes, and I kind of know like 3 of them. I just learned one that's not too bad, and there's one that just has a couple. It's like pretty easy bluesy, but the piano part, which I'm playing, the like rhythm section part, like has some specific like little like bluesy things. I don't know. That's the one thing if I have like 10 minutes and I'd like to go over, but Meadowlark's always late. Everybody's always late to it. God, you had that last one.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the fudge?
Whoa.
Huh? It feels big. It feels big.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh, my drag's okay. Feels decent. Yeah, no. What a tank.
Oh my god.
What a tank. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh man. Yeah.
Nice. Yes. 18?
18, 17 and a half or so.
Yeah.
Nice rainbow. There you go. Yes, no.
Oh.
How? How, dude? Is it that hook? I think he just bit me.
I caught plenty of trout on this lure before, though.
That's weird. Oh, I just got bit. Yep. Yeah. Said it. Yes, Noel.
Oh,
what? No. Well, here's the saddest part of the day where we pull up. But you know what? It's beautiful. Beautiful day. And we caught 5 fish. And 2 were really nice. So I think we succeeded for our first time here. Smash that subscribe.